look at what we have here at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1970 Pontiac GTO convertible, real GTO Judge Tribute. Let's get that out there right away. 455 V8 underneath the hood. As you can see, ram air hood with tack, Endura front bumper, and of course, say this is Orbit orange, if not very, very similar to it. So look, they're going for it with the Judge, obviously. Let's take a look at this Endura bumper and front end. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes, power top. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check out all the pics. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Pontiac Motor Division, rally style wheels, Goodrich radials, and of course with the Judge graphics on. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see paint shows well. Not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Black vinyl interior. Black vinyl top. There's that 4-speed manual transmission, center console. Comes with a convertible top cover or parade boot, if you will. We'll put the top up at the end of the video, let you check that out too. We're also going to start this car up, check out the engine bay, let you hear it run. And we'll take it for a little drive too, so you can see what it's like going down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. We also want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. California built car. And with the still pictures, you'll be able to see the VIN. It's a 242 VIN, obviously, until it's a real GTO. There'll also be the data tag. There's a picture of that. And with the still pictures. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look down the driver's side. See, the paint has a nice shine to it. Definitely be a head turner. Any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I have a feeling this car has brought home a few trophies before. Not noticed any rips, tears, or holes in the vinyl. Door panels and carpeting also appear to be in good shape. Seat belts, front and rear. It's like tilt column. Does have an aftermarket, more of a retro sound style radio in it. That is working. Power top functions as it should. We're going to put that up here at the end, let you check it out. But first, I'm going to need to, I can't remember if I connected the battery terminal or not. Let's double check. It has a battery disconnect on it. I had it off earlier. Nope, I connected it, so we're good to go. You can see the tachometer there. Tach is working, and this thing sounds healthy. It's a good sounding car. The ram air full underneath the dash. As you can see, stereo, manual tune here, so stereo is working. Probably not going to be able to hear much with the top down and an engine going. There you go, you can hear that. Sure we're neutral here. Got that 455 V8 underneath the hood. How about that? Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to need to get this hood open for us to take a look at it. So Let me pause in a second. We'll check out that engine bay and then the convertible top. There's the underside of that ram air hood. Finished as nice as the rest of the car. Ram air intake on that 455. Power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator. That battery disconnect I mentioned. Good looking engine bay. Looks good, sounds good. Let's put that top up and check it out. And let's check out the convertible top up. So black vinyl top, nice fit above the windshield. Rolled the side glass up so you can see that also. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Rear window is glass. Just a touch of separation here, but nothing that's going to affect how that top performs as far as keeping you dry or maybe out of the sun, whichever the case may be. And around to the passenger side, see the glass fits well there. And again, tight fit above the windshield. Real deal GTO 1970 model year and a convertible to boot. That 455 underneath the hood. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1970 Pontiac GTO convertible. This one painted up like a judge. But a GTO convertible with a 4-speed, cool enough as it is. Very nice car, very nice running car. We got that awesome hood tack right there, you can watch it working. Plenty of power on tap. With a 455 under the hood, this car's got lots of power. Nice shifted car, clutch feels good. We have a radio in the dash that is working. Retro sound style radio. Oil pressure is around 60 to 65. Fuel gauge is reading full. Temperature gauge is almost a quarter of the way up the gauge. Speedometer working, showing 55 miles an hour. We have tilt steering in this car. Vinyl bucket seats, very comfortable to drive. Power convertible top is working well. Very sweet sound to this exhaust. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles and the roads are primarily dry today, so we can do these driving videos for you. That ram air hood and front end of a 1970 GTO is so iconic.